It's time for our morning jolt, and you might be feeling some drops falling from the sky that might not be rain. Might be coming from the cicadas, and look, everybody's got to go.
Oh my God, it's like...
That is the worst video I've ever seen in my life. Don't need to see the cicada pee anymore. Apparently, they do more than just make noise. They drink a lot of water on hot days to regulate their body temperatures, much like us humans do. So perhaps as you're checking out the cicadas, don't look up.
So that caught me off guard because I'm like, are you really going to be able to see it? And then it's like a whole fountain. It's like a garden hose.
Thousands of them.
So now you guys tell me this. From the fungus to the pee that we're seeing on repeat here, that is everything that Marissa and I ingested. And now Marissa, for the first time, she has broken her poker face.
Marissa, what was your word that you used to describe them? Juicy?
I said gooey, and this whole video is, I can't.
Oh my gosh.
All right, and a nice hot weather day today, Tuck, just to add to all that excitement.
You ladies,
Said rain, Tucker.
You ladies rethinking eating those cicadas now? Hey, we know one thing, that cicada doesn't have prostate problems.
Only a middle-aged man would come up with that comment.